In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to trade gold like a pro. You're going to be learning everything concerning my strategy, my entry, my exit, and most importantly, you're going to be learning about my precise entry. I can't overemphasize precise entry, and that's key in gold. Without further ado, let's dive into it, guys. Welcome back to my screen, guys, and this is gold. This is on 30-minute time frame. Okay, now how will you be able to catch this crazy move to the upside on gold? Firstly, you need to put all this thing into consideration. Okay, firstly, you need to go on to the higher time frame like 4-hour time frame. The job here on the 4-hour time frame is only for you to know what the market is currently doing. If the market is bullish, then you should be buying alongside the bullish market. If it is bearish, you can still do the same thing. Okay, so after coming to 4-hour time frame, you understood that the market has been a bullish trend for a very long time. All I want you to do right now is to scale down to the 1-hour time frame. So now, coming to the 1-hour time frame, guys, 1-hour time frame should be the point where you mark out your order blocks, where you mark out your break of structure. Then you can now scale to the lower time frame to find a precise entry. Let me show you. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame right now, let's mark out the break of structure. This is a break of structure here at the left corner of the screen. Okay, so this is another break of structure. I know it might be too small around this region. When we scale down to the 30-minute time frame, you can be able to understand that this is a valid break of market structure. Okay, so now after we've marked out our break of structure on the 1-hour time frame, all I want you to do right now is to start looking out for your order blocks, guys. I can't overemphasize this thing, but your order block should always be a liquidity candle that take out liquidity before the bull run. Okay, so now this is what I mean. On the 1-hour time frame, this is our order block right here. Okay, so now I'm using this horizontal ray so you can be able to understand what I'm currently doing right now. So let's head down to the 30-minute time frame. So now, since we're able to mark out our break of structure on the 1-hour time frame and our order block on the 1-hour time frame, now on the 30-minute time frame, your job right now on the 30-minute time frame, guys, is for you to refine that entry. Because I mean, it doesn't make sense having a huge stop loss trading gold. Crazily, gold is really volatile. Okay, so what you need to do right now, you need to scale down to the 30-minute time frame for you to be able to have a precise entry. So now this is what I mean by precise entry. So on the 30-minute time frame right now, we can clearly see that we're having numerous break of market structure. Okay, so we have break of market structure 1, break of market structure 2. After that, we saw how market left out this double top right here. If you're trading the smart money concept, you always know that double top or double bottom is a place of liquidity. Let me mark here to be liquidity. Since it's a double top, price will surely go back and take out that liquidity there. So now on the 30-minute time frame right now, and this is our order block, this is our break of market structure, and this is our liquidity where price needs to go clear out. Okay, after you've marked out your setup like this, what I want you to do right now is to scale down to the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame is where you're going to be getting a precise entry with small stop loss, guys, because this is gold. You don't want to play around. Okay, so now let's go down to 15-minute time frame. So now we are on the 15-minute time frame right here. So I'm trying to zoom in so we can clearly see that this region is where liquidity was sitting previously. Okay, so now let me show you. This was where previous liquidity was sitting, and we saw how this big candle splashed down and take out the liquidity around this region. So now you need to mark out liquidity candle. Okay, so you mark it here. Okay, then you can clearly see that after this bullish candle, the next candle was just bullish candle that breaks structure. Now let's see how we can be able to get that entry. Okay, then all you need to do, pull out your long function, keep it right here, and your stop loss to be below that low, which is this low. Okay, your stop loss should be here. Okay, so after putting out your stop loss there, then you now extend your long function to that liquidity at the top that we're trying to clear, this liquidity. Okay, so now this is how you can be able to get precise entries. I want you to go back to your chart. Let this video to be a push to you. Go back to your chart, watch this thing and inculcate it in your chart, guys. You're going to see how things will start getting better. So all I ask in return, I just want you to like, subscribe, and share this video with many people out there who want to learn how to trade gold. So now let me show you guys the other entry that I had here on gold, which I also share to my Telegram community. So if you want to join, use the link in the description down below to go join us. Okay, so now this is a trade that I sent out on gold on the 30-minute time frame. So all I see right here was that after we had this break of structure right here, Then the next thing I do, I need to look out for my order block. So now fetching out my order block, guys, is clearly obvious right here that the order block is sitting around here, guys. You don't need to be a genius. This is the order block right here. But if you want a precise entry with a very, very small stop loss, you need to go down to 15-minute time frame, guys. I can't overemphasize the power of 15-minute time frame when you're trading gold, guys. So this is it right here. So now let me zoom out for those using phone. This is the order block right here. Then after marking out the order block on 15-minute time frame, I just want you to go back to the 30-minute time frame and position, guys. Wait for price to come back there. Okay, so this was exactly where we took our buy right here, and we were risking less than 50 pip. I think it was 40 something pip that we were risking on this market, and we catch 1:5. And we had our take profit shoot, and our take profit was 1:5. Now, the reason why we are doing this time frame is because the strategy combined with what we call multi-time frame analysis. Because if you don't understand what multi-time frame analysis is, trust me, the market is going to whip your ass all the time. So now this is how we are able to catch 1:5 in two places, guys. Then we had 1:5, and we also have another 1:5. And all this trade, I share it on the Telegram community for free. All you need to do, guys, use the link in the description down below to go join the Pound Trader Telegram community, where we share trade setup for free, guys. We don't charge you a penny. We share trade setup for free, guys. And come up here on the YouTube channel, subscribe, like, and share this video to friends and loved ones. Thank you for sticking around, guys. Until next time, bye for now.